What's up everybody, it's Ashvircreations here. Welcome back to yet another tutorial. Another day, another vid. Happy to see again all of your smiling faces. Well, today I'm gonna give you Taylor and Sumner inspired preset in the form of mobile Lightroom, PC Lightroom, camera presets. So if you don't know who is Taylor and Sumner, then just search on Instagram. They are very famous and creative couple photos Instagram profile, and the photographs are very much inspiring. So from the inspiration we got from him, today we have decided for you guys to create such color effect, and I'll be giving you that color effect or in the form of preset. So you can just download the preset from the links down given in the description just for free. Don't forget to follow that profile on Instagram, that creative artist, and we do really respect his creativity, and photographs are very mesmerizing. Before any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. Download all that preset DNG file from the links down given in the description, and all you have to do is just copy that to your mobile phone. Now just open the Lightroom, and when you will open, it will be automatically shown to your Lightroom gallery. Now just unselect the JPG, only select the raw, that is the preset file. Now just all you have to do is, here is the preset file of the Taylor and Sumner inspired. Now just click on the add button. It would be added to your all photos of Lightroom. Now all you have to do is just wait for the photo to be imported in this gallery. Now just open that preset and just click on the three dots and select the copy settings and hit OK. And now let's apply this preset to your photos. Let's apply it to this photo. Just right click on it and select the paste settings, and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. It is really looking very similar to that of Taylor and Sumner. So let's apply it to this photo. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. It is really looking very amazing guys. Now let's jump to the computer screen and apply the same preset to your PC Lightroom, and also we'll just apply the preset to your Photoshop by using the camera. So guys, all you have to do is just download this Taylor and Sumner inspired Lightroom preset from ashvircreations.com, filterpreset.com, rare file from the links down given in the description. So here is the Lightroom preset file and also the camera preset file. Now we're gonna extract both the files. Just right click on it and select extract here. So it will extract the folder. Now open that folder, and here you can find FP, stands for filter preset, Taylor and Sumner inspired. Now just copy this preset and we will install it to your computer Lightroom. So go to the Ctrl, select the user, select the ashvircreations, go to the app data folder, go to the roaming, Adobe, then go to the Lightroom, select the develop preset and just go to the filter preset. Now just paste those presets over here, or also you can paste it on the user preset folder also. Now here is the paste and hit copy and replace. Here is the preset we have installed, that is FP, Taylor and Sumner. Now we're gonna install the preset of the camera in Photoshop CC. Now select the camera preset file. Now right click on it and select the copy, that is XMP file. Now just go to the app data folder, roaming, Adobe, and instead of Lightroom just go to the Photoshop folder. Go to the instead of Lightroom, go to the camera folder and just go to the settings and just paste those presets over here, and just close all the windows, and let's open the Lightroom and let's apply the effect to your photos, and let's see how it actually looks if you apply the same preset or the color effect like Taylor and Sumner. So let's go to the library, and here we have already imported the photograph. Now let's go to the filter. From here just select the Taylor and Sumner, and you can see the difference. It is really looking very much similar to that of color effect. Now let's again apply to some of the other photos. Let's apply it to this photo. Go to the develop tab and just press on this, and you can see the difference. It is really looking very similar. Let's apply it to this photo. click on the button of taylornsumner and you can see the difference. It will desaturate the color and just make it look more and more realistic, just like them. Let's apply this to this photo, or else we will apply it right to this photo. Go to the develop and just click on this and you can see the difference. Let's apply to one more photo. Go to the develop tab and just select this photo and you can see the difference. Let's apply this to this photo. Go to the develop tab and just click on taylornsumner and you can see the difference. This color effect is very much looking similar to that of taylornsumner inspired profile, and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Let's apply this to this photo and you can see the difference. It is really an amazing preset, guys. You should use this preset to your Instagram feed and just make a new and aesthetic theme for your profile and just make a unique color effect portfolio. So now let's apply the same preset to your Photoshop. So let's restart the Photoshop and add some example images to see. Let's try some of the images from here. So let's just select these photos. Just drag and drop to Photoshop. Go to the filter, select the camera filter. From there just go to the preset tab and just select the FP taylornsumner inspire, and here is the preset file and you can see the difference, and just hit OK. Here is the before and here is the after. Let's apply this to another photo. Let's go to the filter, select the camera filter and you can see the difference. This is the before and here is the after. It is really looking very similar to that of taylornsumner. Let's apply this to this preset. You can see the difference. It is really looking very amazing, guys. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button, and if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, LUTs to color grade your photos as well as videos, other cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. Also guys, don't forget to visit our second website, that is we're gonna upload soon the most premium collection of preset on that website in the form of mobile Lightroom, PC Lightroom and camera, and also the LUTs, that is filterpreset.com. so stay tuned on that website. Also it will take some time to upload content over there. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then, be creative and be awesome.